Let's talk about some of our most frequently asked registration questions. So the first question we have here is, when do I need to register to collect sales tax? A seller is required to collect sales tax when they have a link or connection to a state called Nexus, and what they sell is taxable. This link or connection can be caused by many activities and may either be physical or economic. Some common physical activities that can create Nexus are having inventory in a warehouse, that includes Amazon warehouses, utilizing independent or subcontractors in a state, having employees in a state, having employees or third parties travel into a state on your behalf, and having an affiliate program in the state. These are just a few of the activities that can create physical nexus. An economic nexus can be created when you cross a certain amount of sales. This level is called a threshold. The most common economic nexus thresholds are $100,000 or 200 transactions, although there are many deviations. Some states also have notice and reporting requirement thresholds, which are much lower. You can find charts with threshold and effective dates for both economic nexus and notice and reporting requirements in the resource section under charts and matrices on our website. So next question we have here is, do I need to register with the Secretary of State when registering for sales tax? In general, if you're registering as a remote seller to collect sales tax, there is no requirement to register with the Secretary of State. However, many states make it look like it's required. In most states, there is a way to bypass this option, and if you're registering with the Secretary of State, you have probably made a mistake. A couple more questions here. Do I need a registered agent when registering for sales tax? The answer is no. Registered agents are generally associated with registering with the Secretary of State. Why would I be registered for a retailer use tax rather than sales tax? In any state that makes a distinction between a retailer use tax and a sales tax is usually only an option when you have a brick and mortar location in a state. Technically, all sales that cross the state line are a use tax and not a sales tax. In some states, this use tax, which is collected by the seller, is called a vendor use tax or a seller use tax. And last but not least for today, does registration for sales tax create income tax nexus? The answer is no. Registering for sales tax does not create nexus for income tax. You either have or don't have income tax nexus based on your activities.